No tools are required to install the Culligan Faucet-Mount replacement cartridge. To begin, be sure the faucet is fully turned off. Unscrew the cartridge system from underneath the housing. Turn the finger tabs, allowing the cartridge to drop down into your hand. Insert the new cartridge into the filter system and turn 2.5 to 3 full turns until it stops. If the filter leaks, turn cartridge to make sure it's completely sealed. It's important to flush each new cartridge for 10 minutes to remove all carbon fines. These fines are not harmful, but should be flushed out before using the filter system. The valve stem will automatically return to the unfiltered position when the water is turned off. Allow the system to flush for 3 seconds before each use. You are now ready to enjoy fresh, filtered Culligan water.